Hello everyone, this is Tushita Gupta, ACCA affiliate. I am the instructor at the Wall Street School for courses like MA, PM and FM. In this video, we are breaking down to you in a very simple way with a fun activity to learn about the FIFO and LIFO method of inventory valuation. So over here, we are taking the example of the Kit Kat chocolates, which you all love. So here comes the chocolates, and these chocolates are going to help us understand the concept of FIFO and LIFO. So you see, this over here will act as the inventory warehouse that we have. So let's suppose we are a manufacturer of something, and these chocolates over here are our raw materials. So this is my inventory over here. Now let's suppose we have an opening inventory of 2 units at the rate of 10 each. So that means my warehouse currently at the beginning of the year looks something like this. So the warehouse has 2 units in inventory and the value is 10 each. So this is what my warehouse looks like at the moment. Now the year has started to go on, and few days later I receive 3 units at 15 each. So 15, 15 and another 15. So now my inventory looks something like this. I have 2 units existing of 10 and I have 3 units of 15 each. So this is what my inventory presently looks like. Now the production department came to me and asked me for a few units. Now they have demanded 4 units to be issued. Now when you talk about the FIFO method, it stands for first in, first out. So whatever came to me first has got to go out also first. So if you remember in our example, these are the 2 that were there from the beginning, which are valued at 10 rupees. So when I have to issue 4 units, I'm going to first pick out those which came first. So 10 came first. So to my production department, I'm going to issue 2 units which are valued at 10. And for the remainder 2 units, I have got to pick out 2 from the 15 that are left in my inventory. So I pick up 2 more and value this at 15 plus 15, 30 plus 10, 40 plus 10, 50. So now total that I'm going to charge from my production is 4 units and 50 rupees is what I'm going to charge from them. Now presently my inventory looks something like this. I have 15 rupees 1 unit. Now I move on to another transaction which happens. Few days later I receive 1 more unit. Now this unit is valued at 20. So now my inventory looks like this. Now few days later I receive another unit of which the value is 25. So now my inventory looks like 1 unit of 15, 1 unit of 20 and 1 unit of 25. This is what my warehouse looks like at the moment. Now I have to issue 1 unit to the production department. So the one which came in first is going to go out also first. So the first out of all of these 3, 15 rupees came first. So this is what is going to go out. So I'm going to charge for 1 unit, I'm going to charge 15 rupees from that person. Now this is what my inventory looks like, and I have again received 2 more which are valued at 30. So now my closing inventory looks something like this. I have 1 unit at 20, 1 unit at 25 and 2 units at 30. Now let's suppose if I have a request from the production department to issue 3 units, then I'm going to issue the ones which came to me first. So first came 20, then came 25 and then 30, 2 of them came together. I have to issue 3. So I pick 1 of this. I pick 1 of 25 and 1 of 30. Now my closing inventory looks like this. I have 1 unit only which is valued at 30. So my closing inventory is 1 unit at 30 rupees. With this, we are through with the concept of FIFO method. Now let's use the similar values and see what will be the value of the issues that we make and also the closing inventory when we talk about the LIFO method. So just to give you a brief, LIFO method stands for last in, first out. So whatever has come in last will go out first. So again, let's start off with the same numericals. We have 2 units which are valued at 10 each. This is my opening inventory. Now what was the next transaction? I had received 3 more units at 15. So 1, 2 and third unit which I have gotten at 15. So my inventory looks something like this: 2 units at 10 and 3 units at 15. So now the next transaction is to issue 4 units. So now in LIFO method, remember the one who came last will go out first. So last these 3 came. So these 3 will go out, which are valued at 15. And then I have to give one more. So I will take 1 of 10. Now I am left with 1 chocolate which is valued at 10 rupees. Now further transactions few days later, I received 1 more chocolate which is valued at 20. So now my inventory looks like this. 2 days later, I get another chocolate which is valued at 25. So this is what my inventory warehouse looks like at the moment. Now I have to issue 1 unit to the production department. So the one which came last, which is the 25 chocolate, this is what I'm going to issue. So the next issue is 25 at 1 unit at 25. Then I receive 2 more which are valued at 30. So this is my next transaction. Now I have these units as my inventory at the moment. Now let's suppose I am demanded 3 units from the production department. So the production manager comes to me and says, I want 3 units for the production. So the ones which came in last will go out first because this is the LIFO method. So I have to give out 3. So this and this will go away. That means 30, these 2 came at the last. So I give away these 2 first. And then 1 more I have to give. So the last one which came between 10 and 20 was 20. So I give up 20 also. Now this is what I close with. I'm left with 1 unit in my inventory which is valued at 10 rupees. This video was an explainer for FIFO and LIFO method. I hope that with this example, the concept is made simpler for you. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.